What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have the XRT Concept previewing the 2024 Mitsubishi Triton L200. The 5th generation L200 and Triton have been around for about 9 years and will soon be replaced by a new truck previewed today at the 2023 Bangkok International Motor. Now, despite being officially labeled as a concept, it appears to be a thinly covered prototype with all of the production panels in place. Now, it also seems to have a final split headlight design hiding beneath the camo, while the taillights have been fully black tinted, blending in with the body wrap. Now, originally announced earlier this month in a new product roadmap through 2028, the revamped midsize truck will be powered by a next generation diesel engine. Some form of electrification is expected, possibly a plug-in hybrid powertrain to meet the increasingly stringent emission regulations. Now, the XRT Concept portrays a double cab body style with a snorkel and 2 spare tires in the bed. You'll also notice a rail art branding and meaty off-road rubber. Now, Mitsubishi remains tight-lipped about the technical specifications, but reports state that it will also be an updated ladder frame chassis shared with the next generation Navara. Now, from what you can tell here, expect a slightly longer wheelbase and possibly a bigger bed. And while the rear wheels appear to have drum brakes, and Volkswagen Amarok competitor boasts swollen wheel arches, a sports bar, and large side mirrors. Now, we will see the next L200 Triton in action during the Asia Cross Country Rally 2023, where Team Mitsubishi Rail Art plans on racing the prototype. And the production-ready model will initially go on sale in Thailand during the fiscal year 2023 from April 2023 to March 2024. And per the aforementioned roadmap, Mitsubishi is also working on a purely electric pickup scheduled to arrive after 2025 but no later than 2028. So with that said, what do you guys think about the XRT concept? Let me know down in the comments below anything else you spotted that we didn't see here today. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings, more people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the XRT Concept 2024 Mitsubishi Triton L200. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate that extra love. As always, keeps the channel going. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and check out the social media links down in the description below. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.